Hi everyone, welcome back to the Byte learning series of mobile application. In this video, we are going to walk through some important security and configuration settings you can enable while developing or testing your mobile application. Let's get started. Double-click to open your mobile application in vDesigner 2.0. Hover on the left panel and navigate to the download section. Click on settings and then select your environment such as sandbox. Let's understand these securities options. First, bypass SSL validation. SSL certificate errors can sometimes hinder progress during development or testing, especially when working with self-signed or invalid certificates. Enabling the bypass SSL validation option allows you to temporarily ignore SSL certificate checks, making it easier to build and test applications without being blocked by certificate issues. Second, allow rooted devices. This setting controls whether users with rooted Android devices can access your app. Enabling this can help in testing and compatibility if your app doesn't handle sensitive data. However, for secure apps, it's best to restrict rooted devices to prevent potential risks. Third, allow landscape mode. By default, most apps run in portrait mode. Enabling this option allows your app to also run in landscape mode when the device is rotated, offering a better experience on tablets and widescreen phones. Fourth, allow screenshots. If this option is enabled, users can take screenshots of the app. This is useful for sharing information or reporting issues during testing, but should be disabled for sensitive screens in production apps. Fifth, allow copy-paste. This feature lets users copy text from within the app. Useful in many productivity scenarios, but for apps dealing with secure or personal data, you might choose to restrict it. Sixth, enable debugger. The debugger is a powerful tool for developers to troubleshoot issues. With this enabled, you can track API responses, inspect data flows, and identify problems during development. Seventh, override device font. The app can override the device's default font with custom fonts when this setting is on. This helps ensure consistent typography and branding across different devices. 8. Enable logs. Enabling logs helps developers capture useful information about how the app is running. This is especially important for debugging and understanding user issues during testing. 9th, use prod credentials for SDK. If your app integrates with an SDK especially for biometric authentication, enabling this will ensure it uses production credentials. Only enable this when your SDK is ready to go live. Otherwise, stick with sandbox test credentials. Thanks for watching and happy learning.